All right, so today's tool of the day is this Eagle 26-inch hedge trimmer. It comes with a dual action metal blade, 1.2-inch cutting capacity. It does have a carbon fiber rail, which is backed by a lifetime warranty from Eagle. It also has a 180-degree rotating handle for comfort. Very nice. Comes with a 2.5 amp battery and a charger. You can get the product with just the tool only by itself. And we're going to go ahead and compare it to my previous version, which is the 24-inch HT2601 from Eagle. I wanted to get something with a rotating angle for some of the tighter spots. We check the weights and things of that nature. So if you're looking for a battery-operated hedge trimmer, Eagle is a great tool to have. I have, the blower, the weed eater with the attachment series on there. I do also have their lawnmowers. If you're looking for a system to work with their 56-volt battery setup, Eagle is a fantastic way to go. So excellent products backed by a 5-year warranty on the product and a 3-year warranty on their batteries. And everything is interchangeable, so any battery from each product could be used on any of them, which is fantastic. You could use a 5 amp battery if you wanted to. This particular HT2601 has an approximate runtime of 60 minutes and a charge time of 50 minutes. So we're going to check all that, and hopefully everything will be fantastic. So don't forget to like and follow. We have great videos. You don't want to miss them. And check out some of the links below. They do help out the channel. We're trying to grow. Can't do it without your support. So let's get right to it. All right, let's check out what comes in the box. So, charger, which is very nice and compact. I like the fact that it has these little, slots right here. So you could put it on the wall. I already have one on the wall, so I'm going to go ahead and just store this one. That way, if the other one breaks, if it's out of warranty, I have, an extra one. All right, comes with a battery. This is the BA1400T. Now this is a 2.5 amp battery. One of the things that I'm going to suggest is always register your product. And as soon as you get it, make sure you check the serial number. Make sure that the serial number matches with the product, and usually charge it also matches with the charger. I purchased a kit one time and it came with a used battery. So make sure that the battery serial numbers, they do match. So this one is the newer version that has the, the levels. The one that doesn't have the level, which is the previous version on my 24-inch, is the BA1400, which is just either green or red. So this one gives you the indicator, which is very nice. Now it comes with a protector. And look at this beauty. Carbon fiber lifetime warranty rail. All right, so it does have 1.2 inches here. Okay, so we're going to compare it to the 24-inch, the HT2601 that I have. These blades are actually longer, and they're a little bit wider. So we're going to check all that, and then same thing of the handles, a little, pretty much the same thing. And we move over to what I talked about, the 180-degree rotating handle. You can have it, you have different positions. All right. And then obviously you have your safety on both the handle in the front and the handle in the back before you actually, you're able to get this thing running. So it does have a serviceable transmission. So if you need to probably change the gears or after the warranty, I'm pretty sure you could probably buy them. And everything looks super heavy duty. All right, I was very happy with my 24-inch from Eagle. But what I wanted to do is get the rotating handle. I thought it was a nice little, feature. Especially I have a nice little area where it's a little tight, and I wanted to use the handle. So, all right, so this is what I was talking about, the battery. The newer version has the indicator, and the other 2.5 amp battery is just either green or red. So that's a nice little feature that Eagle did for this new battery. All right, so one of the things I like about these Eagle batteries is to release it is simple. You just hit the little green button, it comes right out. It is spring loaded, and to put it in, you push in, it locks, and you're good to go. All right, let's go ahead and check the decibels. All right, so that's about 99 decibels. All right, so let's go ahead and check the weight. I have to put the little box on there to get it off the workbench. It's at 0. Let's get an idea. All right, so 6 pounds, 14.7 ounces. So let's check it with the battery. So with the battery is 9 pounds, 12.7 ounces. 9 pounds, 12.7 ounces with the 2.5 amp battery. All right, so this is the 2410. So it's 6 pounds, 0.7 ounce. Oh, it's a little lighter. 8 pounds, 14.8 ounces. 8 pounds, 14.8 ounces. So the 2410, it is a lighter unit. All right, so let's see how loud the 2410 is compared. So it is a bit quieter than the actual 2601. All right, so we're going to go ahead and measure. We got about 1.2 of the most open section of the cutting, 1.2 inches as they claim. And we're going to check the small blade here. We have 0.879. Okay. And all of them are the same, so every single one is exactly the same. So the longer one is 1.2. All right, so the opening on this is almost 1 inch. It's supposed to be an inch cut. And then here it's 1 inch. So on these here, the longer ones, it's also a 1 inch. The shorter one, it's 0.697 inches. And these little tiny ones are a 0.569 inch. So that's what we have here. You know, the difference, this front section here, and this is supposed to be a 24-inch blade versus a 26-inch blade. So it measures about 23.5 or so, but consider it a 24-inch blade. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and try it out. You know, it is a little bit louder than the 24-inch, but you know, having all the other options to me is much better. All right, guys, this thing is awesome. It cuts a lot better. It is a little louder, but you know, having the handle where you can twist it is just perfect. So I do have a little section behind the other tree that's a little tight, so I have to kind of like squeeze in there, so I'm able to do it with the handle this way. So we're gonna try that. All right, some of the tighter locations, like you know, this little area around the air conditioning, you know, you could go ahead and easily, instead of doing something like that, you know, you turn it this way, and then you know, you have a little bit of an angle so that you could stay, you know, off the, you know, the hedges. So you should be able to cut it with a lot of ease. So your hand position is more comfortable to hold on to it for longer periods of time. So that's why for me, a 5-amp battery on this one is a little heavier than what I would need. So for 2.5, it's just perfect. So really like it. You know, you're still gonna get a little bit of workout. Guys, this thing is a game changer. Absolutely love the handle, the rotating handle. It's fantastic. I wasn't able to do that one without the ladder, and now I could do it. You know, the extra 4 inches does give you that little advantage. So let's keep on going, but so far so good. All right, so in conclusion, fantastic. HT2600 is the tool. HT2601 is the kit with the charger and the battery. Absolutely love this rotating handle. It made it, easy to cut some of the areas, where we're a little tighter, more comfort. So you could cut a little longer with less fatigue. The 4.5 inches in length absolutely helped me cut some of the higher branches that I couldn't reach before. Love it. So 1.2 inch cutting diameter all the way around from front to back. Perfect. So had some issues with the 2410. Trying to cut, lower or at the higher areas, having this section right here with a smaller cutting diameter and, the teeth being, not so deep. With this one, all the way, I was able to cut all my hedges with one full battery, which is perfect. It feels like a commercial trimmer, solid, 3,400 strokes per minute versus the 3,000 on the 2410. Perfect. So very comfortable to use, and I have no complaints whatsoever. Excellent. I highly recommend it. If you have any questions, let me know. Any comments? Also, don't forget to like and follow. We have great videos coming, and you don't want to miss them. Some of the links below, they help us out. We're trying to grow. Can't do it without your support. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.